What I'm showing here today, believe it or not, is a flip phone in 2021. Yep, this one's a little different, the Lively Flip. And notice what it says right here. Ask Alexa. Believe it or not, it's got Alexa built in. What time is it?
It's 10:21 a.m.
You can even use it to do things like your smart home controls. Alexa, turn on the table light. Alexa, turn off the table light. Okay. And of course you could do weather and even calendar and all that kind of stuff. That's kind of nice. But what this is really, what I want to propose is for your elderly loved ones who like their flip phone, don't want to get a smartphone, but yet have a problem with things like texting, where if you know to send the letter C, you've got to type that 2-3 times, and it seems like the kids love to text. So how do we take care of that? Well, let me show you one other thing before I do that. Look here, no connector there, just pins. You can drop it in a charging stand that easily. Very nice. Okay, so here's how you do texting. Let me set this up here. Alexa, ask Lively to text Cal Tucson.
There are 4 contacts that match Cal Tucson. Do you want to send a text to Cal Tucson?
Yes.
Okay. Just to be sure, do you want to text Cal Tucson?
Yes.
Once I have it, I'll put your message on your phone so you can look it over before sending. If you're all set, just say, ready.
Ready.
What's your short message?
Hey, don't forget me. I'm ready to go. And as you notice, it puts it here, which you could say, yeah, that's what I want, or I don't. Click OK. The text is sent. Here's Cal's phone. And he's got the message. Yes. So you could say, well, that's nice, but that was kind of a long command to get it to go. Is there any way to make it shorter? Well, yes, there is. If you create Alexa routines for your loved one here, use a custom action to say that long phrase and make a short command for them to say. So watch what I did here. Alexa, text Cal.
There are 4 contacts that match Cal Tucson. Do you want to send a text to Cal Tucson?
Yes.
Okay. Just to be sure, do you want to text Cal Tucson?
Yes.
Once I have it, I'll put your message on your phone so you can look it over before sending. If you're all set, just say, ready.
Ready.
What's your short message?
Hey, it's 10:15. I'm ready. There's the message. I want to say OK. This time it didn't beep, but it's there. It's the 10:15. I'm ready. So again, a nice flip phone for those who want a flip phone. They don't want a smartphone. They don't want all those icons and everything. Just the simple things that you can do with the addition of having Alexa in there. Makes a pretty nice little phone. And cheap, they go about $60 for these. Okay, that's it.